What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Just want to do a quick hit on this wireless stand charger that I picked up. It's by ESR, and I want to show it to you because I was looking for a wireless charger that I could put my phone on while I'm sitting in my office, but I also wanted it to look pretty nice. Now, this one was beyond just your basic black plastic, and what you can see here is it has like a vinyl backing. It's not nylon, it's not canvas, but it has that look. It's kind of got this little tweed like pattern printed on it, but it's a little soft, a little rubbery. What you might be able to see here is it's definitely telegraphs fabric at a look. It also has this little shelf down here on the bottom, which is kind of nice. It's got a little shiny edge and then little silicone or rubber foot on the bottom there, but it just kind of sticks out. It's a minimalist but modern look to it. You can see it's all shiny on the bottom, and then contoured back edge here. Looks like we've got some holes for venting, and then what we have here, which is kind of unique, are these black chrome like legs that stick out the back. So if you put it down here, it angles back at 30 degrees off a vertical or something like that. You can't adjust these in any way that I found, but it does give it a nicer look, and just kind of a space gray painted finish here. Now what you can see here is it uses USB-C on the back here, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in. And once you plug it in, you do get a little LED light right there. It says red, because I think it's charging nothing. Now I've thrown on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and what you can see is it's not charging. But if I take it off like this, and I put it on sideways, it is charging. So that's pretty cool, because now what I can do is I can watch my videos, things like that, in widescreen, in the format that it was intended for, and still get it to charge at the same time. Now if I turn it and I put it on vertically like this, what you might be able to see is it's not charging. So the Pro Max is too big to charge vertically in this particular stand. So keep that in mind. But it will charge horizontally, and the reason for that is that there is a coil down here and then there's a coil up here, but apparently the coil up there is not high enough to charge the Pro Maxes. So if you have a regular iPhone, it's going to work fine, but the Pro Max isn't going to work on this one. But I do love the modern look of this, so if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.